All right, so as you're working through your textbook, each chapter is going to reference something called lesson files. And these are the files that they're actually talking about in the book, and they're telling you to zoom in, zoom out of, change the colors of. So they're your practice files for the textbook. To get those, you need to go to the content area and go to the module that you're in. So let's say we're in module 1. And we're going to go to read view, and you should see something called module 1 lesson files. This is a download link, and when it downloads, it's going to open up or download a zip file. So I'm going to go ahead and click this little arrow here and choose show in Finder. I'm on a Mac, so it's going to look different for PC users. You're going to just have to find your downloads folder. And this is stressing me out. Look how much stuff I have in my downloads. But anyway, if I go ahead and double click on this module 1 data files, the zip file, it's going to unzip it for me. And then there's my module 1 data files. So now you can see the lesson 1 data files, and you can open it up in Illustrator, the lesson 2 data files. If you are a PC user, in order to unzip, you need to right click, I believe, and choose extract or extract all. I can't remember what it is for PC users, but it should again unzip it and become a folder wherever this is. So I can go ahead and move this to my flash drive or my desktop or my cloud drive like Google Drive, and I can rename this and use it as I need to. Now, just so you know, none of these lesson files are graded. They're just for you to actually work through the chapter. So for instance, this lesson 1 start 1, if I come over here to the textbook, it is this file up here. And so I can open it up and work through this and zoom in, zoom out. I can do overprint preview like it's showing me in a couple of these steps like right here. So they're just for you to learn the skills. Then when it's time for you to actually do the assignment, you're going to come back into the module 1 or whatever module you're in, and you'll go to assignments and look for the instructions, and it's going to ask you to do all those things that you just learned in that chapter in your own assignment.